Let's determine the value of this given expression. 1 plus omega raised to the power of 3 minus 1 plus omega squared raised to the power of 3, provided 1 omega and omega square are cube roots of unity. Now since 1 omega and omega square of cube roots of unity, it immediately follows that the sum of the roots 1 plus omega square, that will be equals to 0, and the product of the roots, which is omega cube, that will be equals to 1. We will use these two properties to find out the value of a given expression. So let's begin. So here we have 1 plus omega. Now 1 plus omega, we can use this property to replace it with negative omega squared raised to the power of 3. Minus, we have 1 plus omega squared, so that will become negative omega whole raised to the power of 3. So this gives us negative omega raised to the power of 6 minus negative omega cubed, which is equals to negative omega raised to the power of 6 plus omega cubed. Now omega cube, we know that that value is equals to 1, and we have here omega raised to the power of 6, which is simply omega cubed raised to the power of 2 plus omega cubed. We'll come back. So here we have omega cube, so this will be replaced with what? 1 squared plus 1. That gives us negative 1 plus 1, which is equals to 0. So that means the value of this particular expression, this will be equals to 0, provided 1 omega and omega square are cube roots of unity.